Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is my feed. So my profile is at Sarah_Sandler. It's my name. So I probably got my Instagram sophomore year of high school. I remember my first photo ever was 2 Eggo waffles with banana and peanut butter, and I thought it was art. I use my Instagram to post mostly things I'm cooking. I don't think that hard about what the photo looks like, and I mean, I'm not gonna post a super ugly photo, but I don't take a lot of time to like stage a table. No, every time I try to take a photo of food when I'm with my boyfriend, he's like, but your elbow's in the light, and I'm like, I don't care. So this weekend I made an apple galette. I tried really hard to make the apples in a pretty concentric circle design, but then I left the crust on top of the hot oven and it started to melt. So then I put it in the freezer to try to fix that. And then when I took it out, it was really hard to make pretty, but it still tasted really good. So I'd say 75% of the people I follow are sort of my counterparts at other companies. This guy, Jake Cohen, works at the Feed, I think, which is in New York, and his bowl of mushroom polenta looks amazing. I also like following local businesses and restaurants, so Formaggio Kitchen is a really great cheese store in Boston. When I'm selecting a photo that I want to get posted on the Cooks Illustrated feed, for example, I look at all the options, and often we like a bird's eye view or a good cross section of something. Okay, so this turkey burger, for example, it's tall, it's juicy. You can see the stacks of bun and burger and cheese and avocado all in one shot, so I think it's really pretty. Working here, I've definitely realized how important color can be in making food look great. So if I'm making something that's all one color, usually a sprinkle of herbs does the trick. Besides making my own bread at home, I am a serial bakery hopper. So anytime I visit a new city, I'll do a lot of research on the best bakeries there, and whoever I'm with has to go around to all of them with me. So this one is Bien Cuit in Brooklyn, and I got 2 croissants and a loaf of bread. I could have gotten more though. So I hope you enjoyed scrolling through my feed. If you like photos of bread and bakery recommendations and really unpolished photos and runny yolks and things of that sort, you can give me a follow. My handle is at Sarah_Sandler. Thanks.